In this video, you will see how to change the filament in the extruder. First, click on the filament section. Next, click on left extruder or right extruder, depending on in which one you would like to change the filament. Next, click on Replace. Nozzles will be heating up to allow the gears to remove the residual filament from the extruder to the garbage collector and clean the nozzle with nozzle waste remover. When Please Roll Out the Filament information will appear to go to the material station on the bottom of the 3D printer. Take out the filament spool depending on which one you selected to replace. Roll the unloaded material onto the spool. Select the material from the list that you would like to load into the extruder and click OK. Put the spool with material into the material station on the correct side that you would like to load material. Cut the end of the filament at a 45-degree angle. Put the end of the filament into the AFLS until you feel that the gears will start to move it. The filament will be loaded and heated up to the exact material temperature. The extruder will flow some material to the garbage collector and clean the nozzle with nozzle waste remover to allow the print to start with the best material quality. After the filament will be loaded, the success message will appear on the screen. Click OK, and you are ready to 3D print.